Well, folks, some of your all-time favorites are hitting the stores now. In this case, we're talking the blackberry bush. This here is a Navajo thornless blackberry bush, and I absolutely love the fact they're thornless. And one great thing about blackberries, not only do they taste good, but they're good for you. They have vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. And those things will help with your digestion, they will help with your blood sugar, and they also help with inflammation. So let's go and get this baby planted. And just like when I spoke about planting blueberry bushes, don't just take your blackberry bush and throw it in some dirt, add some fertilizer, and water it. You're not really going to get the success you need because these plants need a certain type of growing medium. Now with this blackberry bush, for my growing medium, I'm going to be adding 3 different things. Now blackberry bushes need a growing medium that's somewhat acidic. So I need something that's going to be between 5.5 and 6.5 for my growing medium. So for that, I'm going to add 35% of my growing medium is going to be peat moss. My next growing medium is going to be compost. Fortunately, my compost bin is starting to produce now, so I didn't have to go spend a dime for this. So 35% compost. It's not 100% composted, but it's composted enough for the blueberry bushes. Maybe I'll use a glove. My next ingredient is going to be cow manure, 15%. Now for your next ingredient, you can use either vermiculite or perlite. They're both going to serve the same purpose. And with those materials, you should put on a mask. You should put on a mask. Now obviously I hadn't put enough here to fill it up, but I want to mix it well from top to bottom. So the next thing I'm going to add, and I didn't mention it before because it's such a small amount of what I've added to the soil. We'll add it to the growing medium. That's Bear saying hi to you, or maybe he's greeting the neighbor. 1 cup of berry tone. I use this in all my berries. I don't have to mix it too deep. Now comes the fun part, actually putting the pot in the plant. Putting the plant in the pot. Now I can see here now where the roots have somewhat started to circle around the pot. Get a little bit root bound. Not horribly. I've seen much worse than this. But all the same, I'm going to play up the roots some, let them loosen up. So next, I'm going to plant it level with my growing medium. Here you go, in case you want to take a closer look here. Hard to tell where the root ball started and where the soil ended. Now the last thing I'm going to add, pine bark mini nuggets. It doesn't really have to go into the soil, so I didn't include it as one of my ingredients, but it's something good to add to your pot because that will help prevent it from drying out. It protects your soil from the sun, from some of that heat from the sun, which definitely has a drying out effect. Also, it looks kind of pretty. I like the way the pine bark mini nuggets look on the plant. Now, before I make my final comments on how to take care of your blackberry plant, first of all, please forgive me if I've said blueberry plant at all during this video. I have a habit of switching those two words up. So if you have any questions or comments about how to plant the blackberry bush or how to take care of a blackberry bush, please put those questions or comments in the box below. Well, what do you do once you've planted your blackberry bush in a pot? First thing you want to do is make sure you get it watered. Recommendations for this plant is water it twice a week for the first 2 years. Now, depending on your climate, your temperature, you may not need to go twice a week, but definitely keep track of your watering. You don't want the plant to dry out. It likes to be watered well, but it doesn't need to be soaking wet. And with the chips here, you can really just brush the chips back, stick your finger down in there, and that way you can see if the soil has dried out. But please, make sure you keep it well watered. Put it in the full sun. These do great in full sun. The third thing you want to do, fertilize it twice a year. Now, I've already added some fertilizer to it, but usually what you want to do, fertilize it in the early spring, and then maybe about 60 days later, go on and fertilize it again. After that, you're done until the next year. Of course, you will be picking a lot of blackberries, so don't forget to do that. And let's get out there and get a little dirty.